Hi, my name is Hanif. I'm a mixologist at the Golden Choice Marketing. Today, I will introduce to you and teach you how to use the Breva blender machine model G300. So the part of blender, we have a cover. So we have a blender jug. Then a function of the button, we have a 6 type of a function of button. This is a blender jug. So for the blender jug, we have a measurement. The limit is around to 32 oz or 1000 ml on the top. Twist. This one can open. Separate. I mean after that, if you need to add on, you don't need to open the cap. You just open this one. Open this one and you can straight it for your ingredient inside. Then close again. Make sure the limit only 1 liter. Turn off button. This is a pause button. This one is a timing button, speed button, that button DIY number 1, button DIY number 2, and button DIY number 3. For the type of the button, the 1, 2, 3. For the button number 1 is suitable for crushed ice. For the crushed ice, the timing is around 20 seconds. For the DIY number 2, is suitable for smoothie and iceblended. For the timing is around 30 seconds. And button number 3, DIY number 3, is suitable for juices. It's around 40 seconds. And the type of button is a different timing and a different speed for the blender. Okay, for example, I will teach you how to set up the timing and the speed for the button number 1. Okay, you just hold the button number 1, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for after that, you can see the timing is coming is 20 seconds. For the timing, you can touch 25 seconds, 13 seconds. It's up to you. If you want more ice, it's more fine, you can use 40 seconds. Okay. Then for speed, they have got a lot until 10. So for the P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, then P0. For normal, for the crushed ice, we use around 4, P number 4. Then you touch the button number 1 again. So end. So it's set up for timing and the pressure and speed for the blender. So turn off and turn on again. Then you can press button number 1 and 40 seconds. Okay. Same like for button number 2. Turn on. Then you go to button number 2. Hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3 seconds is for timing. Then if you press here, is the timing for 35, 40. Okay, if you want to go to speed, 10 is the highest one, then P0 is the lowest one. For the smoothie and iceblended, I use P number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then press back button number 2 and okay, now we go to button number 3. Okay, turn on. So you can see, press the button number 3, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 40 seconds is for timing. Then for speed, it's up to you. If you want more fine juices, you can use P6, P7, P10, P8, P10. Then normally for the juices, around P6 to P7. Press back and turn off and back.